In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your products and services to QuickBooks Online. Whether you're setting up your business for the first time or simply updating your inventory, this step-by-step guide will make the process easy and efficient. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the QuickBooks Online login page. You'll need to click on the Sign In button to get started. If you're new to QuickBooks, you'll find this option prominently displayed, making it easy to locate and access. Once you're on the sign-in page, select QuickBooks Online from your list of options. This ensures that you're logging into the specific service where you'll be managing your products and services. Next, enter your login credentials. Make sure your username and password are correct before selecting Continue to gain access to your account. Now that you're logged in, head over to the left-hand side of your dashboard and click on the Sales tab. This tab serves as your central hub for managing sales-related data, including your product and service information. Within the sales menu, find and click on Products and Services. This selection will take you to a dedicated page where you'll see all the items your business currently offers. To add a new product or service, look towards the right-hand side of the page and click on the New button. This button is your doorway to entering new inventory details. You'll be prompted to choose a type for the product you're adding. QuickBooks provides several options, so it's essential to pick the one that best fits your item, such as a non-inventory item, a service, or a bundled product. After selecting the appropriate type, proceed to enter the name of the product or service. Be sure to use clear and descriptive names, as these labels will be reflected in invoices and business reports. Following this, move on to the category field. Here, you can organize your products into groups, which is particularly useful for businesses with diverse offerings. Next, add a description of your product or service. This is your chance to specify any particular features or benefits that distinguish your item. A well-crafted description can help you and your customers better understand what's being offered. Then it's time to set the sale price or rate. If applicable, enter other financial details like the expense account or tax status. Ensuring these financial metrics are precise is crucial for maintaining accurate accounting records and generating correct financial statements. Finally, once all the necessary details have been entered and double-checked for accuracy, click on Save and Close. This action will safely store your data and update your list of products and services in QuickBooks Online, reflecting the latest entries. And there you have it. You've successfully added a product or service to QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you're well on your way to efficiently managing your business inventory with ease and confidence.